Welcome to Holy Trinity High School. Come, let's reason. It's Report Day 2021. Real talk in a virtual world. Before you lose your way, read the roadmap so you can find your teachers. Click on the house to begin. However, let's follow the roadmap first. First, you're going to click on the registration form links. Then click on the department link to register. Why? To meet the teachers. Next, fill out form and submit. Then you're going to scroll down or look for the button. The name of the button is Next. Then you're going to click on it. And of course, you'll be asked to put in your password, and you're going to use the password that is written on the card that you receive. So let's try. So I've clicked on the house and it took me here. Now if you're using your smartphone or your mobile phone, you're going to scroll down until you find this brown button. When it says click me, registration form links. So you're going to click on it. Then let's say you'd like to see the mathematics teacher or the language arts department teacher. You're going to click on language arts department. Then you're going to complete this form. Let's say John Brown. Let's say Marlon Brown as father. And then you're going to click on the arrow, select your teacher, let's say Mr. Cooper, and then you click on submit. Then you see the next button. So if you're using your smartphone, you got to scroll down until you find that green button that says next. Then you click on next. Then it asks for the password. So I'm going to put in my password now. Then I click on go. Then I'm going to go look for language arts. There it is. So I'm going to click on the blue button. See, it highlights join language arts teachers. Then I'm going to open Zoom. And of course, it will say language arts department. However, the meeting has not yet started, so it is saying please wait for the host to start this meeting. Please remember, whenever the host admits you to the meeting, if you're using your smartphone or you're using a tablet, ensure to click on call over internet, or you look for the headset and you click on it, join audio, so you can hear the host, hear the teacher, and you can have your consultation. Thank you for listening. Looking forward to meet you on Report Day 2021.